Hi everyone, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today we're learning how to publish or unpublish a module or a certain assignment so students can or cannot see that. I'm in one of my new courses. You can be on the home page of whatever course you want. Click on modules over here to the left. So your modules load, and here you have all the information, content curriculum from the class. Teacher pacing guide, that's blocked right now. You can see if I hover over it, it'll say publish. We don't want to publish that, of course. We don't want them seeing any teacher information. And I can just click this arrow too to make it a little easier to see. Student course orientation, it's green. That means it's published. They can see it. So I'm okay with that. I'll also hit this button, make it a little easier to see. Getting to know you, it's kind of late in the year. I don't think we're going to do this module. So I'm just gonna click this unpublished button. Now you see it's not published. They can't see anything in here. Now, some of these are still green, and that's fine. They will stay that way as long as the top one is unpublished. They can't see these, okay? So be careful. If you want to unpublish just one of these, your top one's gonna need to be checked, and you uncheck the one for the individual assignment. Okay, so I'll unpublish that, drop down. Introduction to the course, that's okay, I'll keep that published. Module 1, I'll keep that published, but I don't want everything to be published here. This is kind of far ahead. So, maybe I go through and I just click, and I unpublish some of these. So that's how you publish and unpublish modules and assignments for students. Remember, published, the green check mark means they can see it. Unpublished, it has this little circle with the line going through it, and it means students cannot see that material. All right, thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.